Hello, in front of me I've got Chuwi HiPad Max. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select password. To create it, enter at least 4 characters. Now let's use it to unlock the tab. Next, let's select pin number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the tab. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.